Pull it. Nice and slow. How you doing, YY? You got something?
Hey guys, what's up? Guys, what's up? They had a fishing contest. And this is what we got. Yeah. We got a giant Santa Claus bar.
A giant Santa Claus bar?
This is what Santa Claus is used when he's mad at elves. One.
What's that?
It's a wire. Yeah, see?
Show it.
Look closely. It looks like a giant piece of toilet
Spool
paper,
of wire.
but it's actually wire.
Okay. Throw that in the bucket.
And it looks like a knife, but it looks like a gun. Yeah. This kind of looks like a knife gun.
Okay. Let me see. Show it. Looks like a piece of metal. All right, throw that in the bucket.
Demon sword.
What is that?
It's actually a nail.
It looks like a piece of a machine.
It's actually a nail, but see, it breaks apart. And give.
Let me see the other side.
Stop.
What's that? Kind of
Right.
ratchet?
Yeah.
Let's see. Cool.
Let's try that.
All right, what else?
And this looks like this is a nail.
Okay, let me see.
This looks like a bird.
Yeah, that's a big nail. Okay.
It looks like a bird.
What else?
This is a
Piece of rebar?
rebar.
Okay.
It looks like a gun.
Put that in. What do you got? Piece of metal?
What is this?
Piece of metal. All right, put that in the bucket.
And then we got the
What is that?
demon hatchet. Then we got
Okay. Put that in the
metal
bucket.
things.
Two metal things.
And then we
What else, Char? All right, what was the big find of the day, guys?
the magnet.
We found a magnet with a magnet fishing, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna clean that off for you.
Aren't magnets not supposed to connect to magnets?
No, magnets can connect to magnets. All right, throw everything out. All right, tell everybody.
Goodbye and my demon sword.
What's your-
Bye.
Say bye, Char.
Bye. In the comments, name which one was your favorite find out of all.
That's right.
Bye.
See you on
My
Instagram.
demon scored me, dude.
See you on Instagram.
Instagram. Bye.
Bye.